everyone, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today, Cricut is releasing another mystery box. This is the Canyon Hues mystery box with exclusive access Cricut Cutie. The price has actually been reduced on this one, so it's a little more affordable. So for this box only, the price is reduced to US for $39.99 and Canada for $59.99. Let's see what's inside. See if it's worth it. See what you think. It doesn't look any smaller than normal mystery boxes. So there's that. The packaging, it looks like it's back to the normal packaging. They've been doing like a combined packaging, I think to help reduce shipping sizes, possibly. In the previous kits, this one got a little beat up in shipping, but that's okay. The lid's over here. Anyways, so there is a little cutie, and I know that's what most of you come here for, is to see what color the cutie is. It's a Canyon color, which, what color is Canyon? I'm gonna guess maybe orange. Orange sounds like a Canyon color. Let's find out. I usually save these for last, but I'm curious. Okay, it's kind of like a terracotta. She is matte. Maybe I should save it for last, so you'll stay and watch the rest of the video. Anyways, so this is the Canyon, brand new Canyon Cutie. She is adorable. A little orange, a little terracotta type color. So quickly, click my link below. It is an affiliate link at no cost to you. Click the link, go purchase this, and then come back and watch the rest of the video, because I'm going to unbox all of this and then we're going to make something with it. So you don't want to miss that, so come back. Okay, next we have an extra large scraper. I use mine all the time, so here's another one. We've got some insert cards for the Cricut Joy. Now, the Cricut Joy doesn't mean you have to use it with the Joy. You can absolutely use it as an insert card using any machine. Card mats make it pretty easy, but it does work on the Cricut Joy mat. We have a fine point blade. Gorgeous Martha Stewart mixed materials. This is called a white tie gala. Looks like we can make a nice art journal page with some of these. These are just as mixed materials. Doesn't say what kind of materials, so hopefully they're labeled. So we've got very pretty colors. This permanent. This gold and silver. I think these are IronOn. Possible. I'll find out. That's a big page. Colors. I mean, those are very cool looking. That's 12. We've got some strong grip transfer tape and a permanent gold. Now my question is these. Might just be party foil. Doesn't seem to come apart at all. Let me see what this says. 5 count variable sizes. It's definitely permanent. Okay, so yeah, it's just party foil. So it doesn't stick. No adhesive. It doesn't mean you can't glue it. You absolutely can glue it, but it's great for table decorations. 2 sheets permanent vinyl shimmer in silver and gold. 2 sheets party foil in gold and silver. There we go. 1 sheet strong grip. I don't usually use the party foil, but I know a lot of people that do, so that's pretty cool. And then these are gorgeous. Just drop my super cute cutie. So that's Cricut Martha Stewart mixed materials. Next is the permanent gloss Parchment color. So Parchment is this peachy color. And that's permanent, so it's just sticking. It's been hot here. I live in Florida, so try not to leave your vinyl out too long outside. When it gets delivered, bring it in right away. But I haven't had any vinyl get ruined, so there's that. Next we have adhesive foil, and this is the colors. It's the adhesive foil matte metallic sampler. Foil and matte don't usually come together, so it's interesting to hear. So let's see. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look, that tape kind of gives it a gloss, but you can tell how matte it is without that. So this is a sampler, and it's got 5 colors. So you've got this gold, silver, kind of a gunmetal black, rose gold, and copper. Very pretty, and 12 by 12. So there's that. Then we've got removable matte in, oh, this one's another sampler, okay. I have to open the samplers to show you, right? Cottage sampler. So I've got burgundy. These colors look really well together, go really well together. Like a sage green, blue, brown, cream, and navy blue. Very nice, and again, same size, 12 by 12. And then we have some strong bond transfer tape, one sheet of 12 by 24. I'm going to create something like this. I don't know what yet, but let me know what you think. I made a mess of this one. In the comment box below. Let me know if you bought it, and what you think of the value of this one, since they lowered the price a little bit. So, and this cutie is adorable. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for a super cool music guided creation of something.